So I am back from the hairdresser and done with my work, and I am just feeling like being a homebody. I want to sit at home, watch TV, drink some wine, and I decided that I wanted pizza. I haven't had pizza in a while. It's just something that comes across my mind every like so many months. And this is one of those days where I'm like, I want pizza. So I ordered a pizza and I'm about to go to Total Line to pick up wine. If y'all remember when I went to New York, I visited my friend who lives in Central Park, and or this last time. And I had wine there that I really enjoyed. So I'm gonna go to Total Wine and find it. It was a cab. I remember how it looked, Cabernet Sauvignon. I remember how it looked. So I'm just gonna go find it because it was really tasty. I'm gonna just drink that wine and have some pizza and watch TV. So let's go. Lots in here. Found it. Super, super obvious label. That shit is $50. It was good. I'll buy it. If you don't know, I'm an executive in my industry and at my job. And part of managing the women that I manage, because I manage a lot of women, is mentorship, right? It's not just holding them accountable or helping them flush out ideas or being responsible for the large plan. Like that's all part of being an executive. But a big part of being a good boss for the people I manage is mentorship, right? And I had to have like a more confrontational meeting between one of the people I manage and another person, another executive, and one of the people they manage. And I prepped my person for it because even though they're at the director level, they are not confident in their voice yet completely, right? And expressing themselves in a situation, they don't have enough practice at it, right? And so I was there because it just would make her feel more confident, but also to serve as backup. And she didn't know it, but also so that I could pull out of her what needed to be pulled out to resolve the situation, right? If it didn't happen. And I did end up doing so in that meeting. But later this week in our one-to-one, something clicked, right? And I shared this with her and I'm sharing it with you because if you are a woman in corporate or just a woman, I work in nonprofits, a woman in the workspace, right? There's something we do because we live in patriarchy, right? And it's not something I noticed I did for a while, but when I noticed it and I stopped doing it, my career changed. Ain't nobody said I was good at opening a bottle of wine. I just want y'all to know that, okay? I could get it open, but I'm not particularly good at it. It's not a maturity thing. It is a social conditioning thing. We as women in settings with men, regardless of how confident we are, if we don't recognize it, because we grow up in patriarchy, a lot of us shrink ourselves when we're speaking to men. Let me get this out. It smells good. Let me get a glass. So what I mean by that is not just like being in a meeting and not speaking up. It's trying to manage men's feelings before you say something, right? So you're going to say something, but you're thinking about how this man is going to react, and that shapes how you say something, right? Or it brings you anxiety to speak up because you are managing how other people will feel before you even have your thought come across. And so you have anxiety, you don't get your thought out well, or, you just shrink yourself. You don't say something because you deem it not important enough. And I'm here to tell you to stop doing that. It is not your job to manage the feelings of others, especially at work. Now, I'm not saying being mean. I'm not saying being unkind. But I am saying have enough confidence in your own voice to speak up when you need to speak up, to not feel anxious about how others are going to react, and to just treat it like a work environment, like you should, right? Don't think about how others will feel because you are asserting your expertise. Don't think about how others will feel because you're standing firm in an opinion and a thought, right? I'm not saying don't be uncompromising. I'm saying don't shrink yourself. But anyways, I'm going to turn on the TV, pour this glass of wine, and chill. What are y'all watching right now on Netflix or Hulu or any of the apps? Tell me, what are you watching? I always need suggestions. It's out, the new season. Okay, this is what I'm watching. How many episodes? All right, guys, so I went to my sister's, hung out there all day. I didn't get any video because, well, I didn't want to. And then I hemmed and hawed real hard over what to wear to this little things I'm going to. There's so many clothes in my bed right there that I got to put on when I get back. But I'm going to put on my scent. I'm wearing Must Noir by Narcisco Rodriguez. And if y'all remember, I recently purchased this shirt to go out, to wear stuff to go out. And I am going to this interesting little, like, event at Modern Art Distillery of Modern Art, where it's a cocktail mixing class, but also bachata, beginner bachata lessons. And so I'm late, clearly, but I put my hair in a bun. Can you see? I didn't take it out of anything. I just put it in a bun, put on a light face, right? Like nothing too heavy. And I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out because I'm late. Clearly I'm late. I'm running fast, but I'll get some video while I'm there.
Oh, y'all water. Not what? Not what? Look, you got all the water out of 2 tons.
Okay, jalapeno. Did you say add jalapeno and metal? I do. Okay.
What she say?
Okay.
I do 1. Y'all can have
She said if you want jalapeno,
I just do 1.
do 2 and metal.
No, you do. Look, y'all like it.
I do.
Look, you can have mine. Spicy cocktail.
Love a spicy cocktail. Still squeeze it in there.
And cross. Last one. 1, 2, 3, tap. Check. After those 1, 2, 3 tap, when I'm walking forward, I'm gonna check my shoulders. Can you say Bachata? I mean, the shoulder sounds like that, right? Well, it doesn't have to be like. Okay, it can be a regular Bachata, but whatever. Okay, carioca, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and open, cross, open, last one back. 1, 2, 3, tap, shoulders, yes.
I just got back from my run. I just woke up and got out there to do a couple miles. I want to run 2 miles 5 days a week, every week by the end of the year. That is my goal. And I'm already at half a mile, and I mean straight, because I run, but I run intervals. And to get back into the shape that I want to be in, I want to be able to run 5K straight again. And so I ran half a mile straight today. And for the rest of the week, I'll keep that up. Then I'll move to 3/4 of a mile next week and a mile the week after. And then I will work on pacing before I move to working on that second mile. My total workout was 1.5 miles. And I have an exercise class later today as well. So happy to get that out of the way. Now I'm gonna make a grocery list and hit up the grocery stores before all the people go. I need to get to Trader Joe's as soon as it opens because that's the only way to get the flowers you want. So I'm going to make a list. I have my notepad here of what I need. I picked everything yesterday. I'll leave some links to some recipes. If you guys are interested, you could check them out. For breakfast, I'm gonna do protein pancakes. And I buy for 4 days at a time, especially since I do go out at night fairly frequently during the week. And so just 4 days at a time. So I'm going to do protein pancakes. I need some Kodiak pancake mix. I'm almost out. I have eggs and I have milk. So that's easy. And I have bacon, but I need a bit more bacon and I need Ziploc bags, the gallon ones. So I'm going to get some more bacon. I love the Trader Joe's bacon. I've been trying others. Trader Joe's just, it's easy, it's good, works. It cooks evenly every single time. If I'm not going to go to the farmer's market, that's what I'm going to get. And then I need a fruit. I've been binging on peaches this season. And let me tell you, last night, so I have a what I call intolerance. It used to be much more severe when I was a child, grew out of it for fruit. And as long as I continue to eat it in moderation, I don't have the severe reactions I had when I was younger. But I still get reactions sometimes. And last night, those were fruity cocktails. And after one of them, I immediately knew. I immediately knew. And it wasn't great by the end of the night. It is what it is. But today, I'm feeling better. I was itching so bad. So bad. But I have stuff for it. So I just took that and tried to get through the night. Did not sleep great. And so today, yes, I'm starting my day with a smoothie because I don't give up on fruit. I love it. So anyway, so that to say that I've been binging on peaches. I've been having way too many. So I'm going to get a different fruit, or maybe I'll get more peaches and just regulate myself to one a day. So I'm going to finish the smoothie and head to the store. I want to try this. There are just so many options. I need Thai basil and Thai chilies, so H Mart. Just like that, I look like Friday and it's almost 7 o'clock. I still need to meal prep. I could not do it, right? But I've made a commitment to myself and I have to keep it. I eat better when I meal prep and I want to eat better, especially to fuel the amount of exercise I'm doing right now between tennis and solid core and general weightlifting and running. I need to eat and I need to eat well. So I'm going to take 30 minutes and eat this dinner. I went to Publix after solid core and picked up some of their baked wings. And then I just air fried some fries. Simple. I'm going to add a little bit of Frank's Red Hot and some ketchup to the fries, right? Make that. Which, when did the wings become $1 a wing? Because I got 4 wings and they were $4. Like, the world is expensive, okay? Anyways, you gotta eat, so I paid for the food. But I'm gonna take 30, watch Scandal for 30 minutes, and then meal prep. Guys, the flowers are so freaking pretty. Look at this. Look at this. Now, I still need to cut these down a little shorter, this one and this one, but for the moment, do you see that? Absolutely just stunning. Spray roses, carnations, garden roses, and dianthus. So pretty. Anyways, I'm going to eat because I don't got a lot of time if I want to get to bed in a decent hour, which I'm pushing it. It's probably going to take like an hour and a half to meal prep. So yeah, let me get to it. Let me watch Scandal. I'm proud of myself, guys. I'm proud of myself because it is 9:30 p.m. 9:30. but I made my breakfast. All I will do is add some bacon and the watermelon to it. I've made my lunches. I don't have to do anything but warm those up. And my dinners I make fresh because not every meal can be old. I can't do it. This is a good start to my week. It's a win. I always need a win to stave off the Sunday scaries. I'll be okay. I'll be okay next week. I'll eat well, I'll exercise, and I'll feel good. And that is what I'm going for right now. To do that, to feel good about myself, and to enjoy life. That is the goal amidst chaos, amidst terrible misjustice, misjustice is not a word. Amidst just the world getting more violent. I don't know if you guys have noticed. Have you noticed that the world is getting more violent? Like even more violent than normal? Our world, not the world. Our world, maybe the world. No, the world. There's so much going on. And I'm just controlling what I can control. Anyways, let me know if you meal prepped, what you meal prepped for the week ahead. I love a good idea, so thank you for that. And otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, I hope to see you next week.